Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 BMW 4 Series. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get the features you need and the comfort and style you've been hoping for. This well-equipped vehicle is an excellent value and will help you make the most of every drive. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, keyless start, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, rear AC, multi-zone AC, aluminum wheels. Meet us at the intersection of style and efficiency. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.